Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey Divas and Divos, so this is my Valentine's Day look. Lots of pink. This was initially supposed to be something very light, supposed to feature more of the outfit than the actual face. I blew it, but yeah. I mainly used the Huda palette, and then I used one color out of the Natasha Denona palette, the warm palette. All you actually need is just a chocolate brown, because I just wanted something right here in the crease, right there. But that's all you would need. You don't need to get that. I'm out of breath for some reason. I don't know why. But anywho, yeah, so I hope you enjoy this look. If I can get it together, I'm going to try to get it together. I want to put some outfits, just like first dates, because a first date you should dress more like a lady than a stripper. And don't get me wrong, I remember my thotty days. I remember those days. And I still do have a little bit of thottiness, but only when I go out to the club. Only because I like to shake my bum. I really like to shake my bum. But I hadn't been in a long time. I'm going to have to go one day. I just don't want to have to go to LA to go shake my bum. So if I can find some place somewhere around here in Ventura County area, I would definitely go, because I need to get some of this. Oh, like I need to just be like, you know, some of that. But you know, that's that's they don't play that kind of music anymore. Like I'm into. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If I have the looks, I'll have the looks as far as like outfits, but if I don't, please forgive me. So enjoy, subscribe. Alright, peace and peace. So this pink stretchy dress is from Fashion to Figure. It actually can be worn on the shoulders or off the shoulders. Those shoes actually came from Just Fab, so those are new pumps. And the dress is actually quite stretchy. And I do have on some shapewear underneath there. And that's look one, wanting to show off my shoulders. This is also a dress from Fashion to Figure. It's just a simple black dress, and the pumps that I got were from Aldo. They're, what is it, animal print, the black and tan color. I know you can't really see, but that dress is actually made out of cotton. It comes up. I'm not really worried about my arms, so yeah. Aldo shoes. I don't remember how old they are. This skirt right here is from BB, and the shoes are from Just Fab. The shirt is from Old Navy. It's a button-up shirt, but I did tie it up so it can give a high-waisted look. So these are some options that you can put together to wear for first day or Valentine's Day. Alright, so I've already got like my eye prepped. Today I use Bobbi Brown stick foundation, in the color 5.5. You know, the accident that they gave me, because I never get my foundation. I never get what I want. I never get what I want. But I'm going to try the Huda Desert Dusk palette and do this soft look. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet. I just know that I want something really, I don't know how to say it. Hold on. Alright, so I forgot this. I know my husband doesn't like a lot of makeup, and I want to more gear towards looking soft. So this is going to be a soft pinky look. I always start off with, for the most part, a backdrop. My backdrop is normally my face powder. So, oh gosh, I was upside down. And I can already tell that that was not a good idea to use the Bobbi Brown paint stick as a base. I also set it with Maybelline powder. I don't know. I don't want to scare him. That's one. Not scare him, but let's see. I'm going to take cashmere all over the lid. No, I like Celestial. We'll take that. Oh yeah, that's a good option. This is a crown brush. I don't think this is doing it justice. Let me... yeah. I'm going to switch brushes. Alright, so now I got the classic shade of brush. And let's see. That's a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better. I think I'm going to wet it. Yeah. I'm going to take a Zoeva 221 brush, and I'm going in with Amethyst. Amethyst? Amethyst. And the shape that I'm more concentrating it is a upside down U. I'm going to go into my Natasha Denona palette and take this dark warm chocolate brown. So you want something that's really, really brown. And I'm going to use this dual fiber brush because I think this is going to give me the look that I'm thinking of. It's a 286 brush from MAC. And I'm just coating it just a little. If you look at it, it's just a little coated. And I'm going to try to keep that tight knit in my socket. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Go back with amethyst. I'm also going to take some twilight. And then go back with Celestial. Alright, so now that I got my foundation on and my concealer, we're going to do the under eye. Oh, and I have my lashes on. My lashes all Wispy Away by Velour. Alright, so I'm going to take this black technical liner and run that on my lash line. Smudging it so slightly. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with Royal. We'll connect that to the outer corner. Oh, I definitely got eyeball juice on that. But I'm going 217 brush. 217. I didn't know what else I was going to call it. And we'll go back in with amber just at the tip of it. Just the tip. You know, the tip. And I think I'm going to take Angelic and put that in a corner. For blush, I'm going to go back into my palette. And because I want to feel young-ish, I am going to mix two shades. But what two shades I'm going to mix, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to use this outrageous pink hair and this color hair to tone it down. And I'm going to use a Huda brush for that because look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Alright, so I think I'm going to go in a Polite Tail pink. And I know I'm going to use this lip liner. This is Creature that needs to be sharpened because I never sharpen my stuff. I think I'm going to overdraw my lips a tad bit because now that my face is a lot fuller, I feel like my lips is a lot smaller. No, I'm gonna go on Snob. That's not gonna work for me. And then I'm gonna use this YSL shade. I don't know what shade this is. It's gone off. It's this baby pink color. Alright, Divas and Diva, so this is the finished look. This was supposed to be really soft and it came out just a tad bit dramatic once I put on the blush. Yeah. So this is going to be my Valentine's look. I want to try to throw some outfits together. If I can, I will. If I can't, this is it, Divas and Divos. Simply using this Huda Dusk palette. It's really nice. I really like it. Yeah, that's all I can think of. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be throwing in lots more. So go ahead, subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and just be doing lots more videos. I'm going to definitely do that talk, and I don't know what I want. I definitely want to touch on the Tarte thing, but I want to talk on something that I've been struggling with, and that is my weight and my depression. And I think some people can relate on that, and I want my channel to be so relatable, and I want y'all to, you know me, get to know me. Yeah. So, and I think I'm trying to get on this weight band thing, trying to do the right thing, but we'll talk about it. I think I will touch on both subjects. I think I'll do like a quick talk when it comes to the Tarte foundation, and definitely do a talk about my weight and my depression and how I've been dealing and not dealing. So yeah, tune in. Thanks for watching. Peace and peace, Divas, Divos. Bye.